Yesterday dumped, there are a lot of memes going around, Uptober's been canceled. This post, I came across this post, and Ben, this actually echoes what you were saying just a couple days ago. So it says, you've probably seen this screenshot a lot, Uptober, but what you haven't been shown, Uptober never really started on October 1st. Here's when the parabolic moves that drove the returns you see in the image actually started.
I'm not a financial advisor.
In 2023, it was October 15th. In 2021, it was October 5th. In 2020, it was October 11th. Same with 2017. Don't cancel Uptober yet. Believe in something. So
I was actually, when we were looking up at that and we were looking at that zone, the date that I said, I picked, I said, okay, like, I think this would be right here where stuff starts to happen, and it's October the 11th. Like, that's actually what our, go to TradingView, go to like the 11th. Yeah, the 11th is the end. Okay, go to the 11th, 10/11.
11.
Why do you think the 11th is so important right there? Anybody have any idea? It's Friday. Friday is when you get a lot of big moves, because some of the biggest moves come with gaps. Those gaps come down and get filled. That doesn't mean that there will be a gap when there's big moves on the weekends, but usually what we see in the beginning of these bull runs is big bullish weekends where the price just goes crazy because there's not as many people trading. So people are able to come in and send in a lot higher volume on the weekends. Not like where the number will be higher, but because the volume's low, they can just inch it up some. And that's the way that works on the weekend sometimes. And then once you get cool-offs, man, those weekends are bearish, like huge dumps on Sundays before the weekly close sometimes and stuff.
Yeah.
But the 11th, that's the day I've got my eye on. I've got my eye on Friday, the 11th. It's the end of the week. And look at this. It lines up perfectly with what we just looked at that Cassie showed you guys. And it's exactly what we told you yesterday. But I had a clip about it because on air, because it's that important for you guys to understand. Just because I said it's going to be an amazing month, it doesn't mean every day is green. That's why we were talking about the number of green candles in a row. Did you ever look at the number of green daily candles in a row? I'll look it up.
Oh, I did, but I forgot the number.
Yeah, I'll look it up right now. Okay, it looks like Bitcoin has been green 9 days in a row 3 times. It's never broke 10. One of those streaks was right after the 15th. It was in the back half of October. One of those 9-day streaks, I think all 9 days were in October. So that shows you right there. It doesn't matter. This is how they do it, guys. They send out the big narratives, October, 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 understanding that that's going to make people feel a certain way and do certain things, but also without the people that are saying that and understanding it doesn't mean October 1st. It means a green month.